Today I'll show you how to reassemble the torch head.
Before assembling the torch head, we need to make sure that we're using the consumable tool and silicone lubricant. The amount of silicone lubricant you need is just a pea size. Rub it between your index and your thumb. You'll want to lube every O-ring on every consumable. First we got the electrode. Put that in. Grab your consumable wrench. Give it a quarter turn until it's tight. Then we will get the swirl ring. And also the nozzle. You want to put the swirl ring inside of the nozzle before putting it on the torch. Make sure the swirl ring is fully seated in there. Press down. Then we'll grab the nozzle retaining cap. It's got an O-ring up top. Tighten it on. Then we have the shield. The lubricant will provide protection on the O-rings from dry rot.
Make sure you turn on your notifications to be the first one to see our new videos.